Hey, Isaiah here, and I'm just here to give some advice on, well, stock markets. I'm sure many of you don't need this because it's fairly easy to see through. So, I'm just here to say don't invest in huge stocks like Tesla. Just go fractional. Because if Tesla grows by like 80 cents in a day, you've only earned 80 cents. Unless you're buying millions in Tesla, which is stupid if you're operating from the base level, you're not going to make much. So you're better off spending like 80 cents on a stock and letting that increase by like, let's say, 80 cents or 20 or whatever. Still, you've only spent 80 cents for an increase of like a cent or a dollar. Who knows? But, anyways, that's pretty much it. Good day and good luck investing.